So I'm gonna go in today with my bPerfect Carnival palette here. I've recently got this, so I still really want to test it out. I'm gonna go in with that purple wasted colour here, and I'm gonna smack that right in my crease. And I've only applied concealer to my lids and not set them. So I'm getting my purple and I'm putting it right in the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with Funky, this pink shade, and I'm lightly gonna dab into that. And I'm doing very small circular movements just to kind of blend that purple out just slightly. And then with a much smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with Foolish. Just blend the edges out. Then just going back in with that purple shade just to make sure I haven't lost any of the pigment. So I'm just cutting the crease, and I'm using some concealer just to do that. Oh, my arm literally starts to kill when doing this. I used that Saint highlighter in the palette, and I just applied that to my cut crease there. So it looks a bit like that at the minute. Obviously nothing's been blended out yet. I obviously want to apply my glitter. Or do I blend? No, I'm going to blend out first. Blend out and then I'm going to apply the glitter. So just to kind of blend that together, I'm going to go in with that wasted purple shade. So then I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue. Glue never seems to irritate my eyes, and it's quite cheap as well. Obviously if you don't want to use glitter and you just want to keep it like that, you carry on. I just want a little extra to it kind of thing. I'm using Mermaids by Peaches and Cream. So I'm going to go in with the glue on the back of my hand. And it's important not to swipe, because if you swipe you're going to take whatever's already on your eye off. It's important you need to dab it on. And then I'm just going to take a bit on my brush and just dab. And where the glitter is so fine, like you don't see like chunks of glitter on your eye. So I'm just going to pop off camera and do the other one, and then I'll be right back. And now for the best part, is taking this bloody horrible tape off my eyes. So I'm just going to go for a normal winged liner, nothing special. So that's the wings are both done. I feel like I haven't done wing liner in bloody forever. Where I've literally been doing like easy eye looks, just not doing any liner. It's like I've forgotten how to do it. I'm just applying my mascara for my lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to go in with my unicorn lashes in the style Forget Me Not. And I finally got myself a new duo glue, because my other one was looking grimy and crusty and just minging. So I'm just going to move on to skin. And I'm going to go with my Too Faced primer. It's been my favourite so far. If you've been watching me, you know. Oh, just curious, how was everyone's New Year's? Were you out? Were you in? Were you getting smashed off your rocker? What were you doing? I had a nice quiet night in. To me it felt like a normal day. Me and my boyfriend just literally sat and watched Gordon Ramsay, have a go at everyone. So, you know, that was just as good, I guess. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. That's the foundation all blended in. And I'm then going to go with my Iconic London Cream Contour Kit. And I'm just going to contour. Next I'm going to go in my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I feel like I haven't used this concealer in ages, but I got a feeling it's going to run out pretty soon. And we don't have a Tarte in England, so anything that we want in America, we've got to obviously pay like customs and all that lovely stuff and shipping, and yeah, I've really been holding out on using that because I just have a feeling that it's going to run out soon, and it's one of my favourite concealers. Of course, next I'm just going to go in with my RCMA powder. And now that we are all set, I'm actually going to go in with this Elsie bronzer. I've never used anything from Elsie before, but I'm going a little bit by little bit. I'm just going to contour, obviously using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. So for blush, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. Then I am just going to carve out those cheekbones. So then going back into the eyes, I think I'm going to go in with that Purple Wasted shade there, run that under the lash line. Then I'm going to go in with Wifey, it's kind of hot pink. Brush that under there too. Pop on some mascara. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Nylon from MAC. Like, I'm sorry, can you see the difference? Of let's pop a bit on the brow bone too, shall we? So that's the eyes all finished, and I just need to finish off the face. So I'm just brushing off all the powder. I'm just gonna add some moisture to the face using my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. It's the Fix and Gold Light. So when I'm letting that all dry, I'm going to apply my Kylie Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Santorini. Then moving on to lips, I'm just going to use the Lime Crime lip pencil in the shade Angel. These are so creamy and really easy to just glide on. And then I'm just going to use my Creme de Nude lipstick by MAC. I feel like lately all I've been doing is wearing lipsticks instead of liquid lipsticks. But I don't know, I've just been loving how just a lipstick looks. And I think it just wears off nicer than a liquid lipstick. Sometimes you get those like butthole lips. But yeah, I mean, I'm really going to be wearing this look around the house, so I don't think I'm going to be too picky about how long my lipstick lasts. This is the finished look right here using the Carnival palette. I think actually, I love it, to be honest. You know, I love a bright, colourful eye look here and there. Loving this palette. I still want to continue to use it to see what other great looks I can come up with. But yeah, eyeshadows and everything, amazing. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed this look, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, to give it a comment, or even subscribe if you want to see a bit more of me. And I hope you all have a lovely day, and until next time guys, bye!